Hello guys, so today we'll be playing Beat Swarm, and I did put a tiny bit extra just to get this one, but you didn't miss anything else. So we're gonna be playing Beat Swarm today, and yeah, basically. Sorry for my bad mic because I don't have any, but quest rewards, yeah, okay. I need a little more white pollen for this one. Okay, and I'll do the rest of the quest in a snap. I did the quest! Anyway, so let's go talk to the bear after this. Anyways, let me just see. Here you go. Now I need to go turn 2 quests into Mother Bear and Bee Bear. There you go. Let's get festive. Okay. Now we need to talk to Mother Bear, yep. And before I do that, I just need to do a little quick bit of this quest. There you go. And then there you go. Anyway, so let's go get a better pollen maker. I don't know. Let's go. After I make this. Okay. My goal today is to get 5 bees and best backpack and whatever this is called. Oh yeah, we filling up so quick, and we making the honey quick. Let's see what we have. I need to use this right now. Okay, yeah, we're getting better backpack right after this. Feed 5 treats to your bees. There you go. Let's go to the shop and buy a new bag. Yes. Let's go. Wrong way. Yeah. I might get the vacuum. I'm definitely not getting the canister. Let me up. There you go. Okay, and let's go check how much. Okay, 6,708. We just gotta make that much. It's so far away. Much. It's so far away. Okay, and let's turn this pollen into honey. Come on, bees, let's go. Hurry it up. You're taking so long. Oh my god. Well, yeah, we have enough. Goodness. There you go. And we have one royal jelly. Let's see what we get. Drop. Okay, so our goal was five bees. We got 5 bees. So I think that we are good for today. Next video will be tomorrow. Bye.